I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
Video kayo? Okay. Video kayo. An impressive education at a young age is work experience as others. Despite your service, I'm sure you can such an honor to have him. Okay na guys. My first time to meet him today, and I'm so delighted. This good looking make our fellow community leaders also pardon us, sir. I know it's part of us and you are we are happy to know you are so hard-working. We appreciate your dedication to look after us as time passes by. Your assistance or guidance really matters during our time. We are like babies in this country that ready to cry. You are one of our knight in shining armor. Please stay.
Pinasayo namin yung mga bago.
There are moments that we wander around this place, and we depend to the people with authority like you with your face. That's why we remain strong and still at peace. Everything you've done, we are grateful and you deserve praise. I don't want you to wait any longer. Forgive me, I was carried away like I'm an imposter. Everyone, let's give a round of applause to our guest speaker, no other than Vice Consul George Mariano Soriano, sir.
Hello. Rinig po ba ako sa likod? Rinig
Yes
po?
po.
May puto pa ba dyan sa likod? Wala na. Okay. Ang haba ng introduction ko parang bago lang po ako sa Hong Kong, disclaimer. No? I just came here Valentine's Day.
Single!
Memorable. Nahabol ko pa kay Mrs.
Misis na
So,
pala.
parang dami language sa
Single!
Sige po. So, first of all, on behalf of the Consul General, Ms. Herminia V. Aguilar Usudan, I would like to congratulate the Social Justice for Migrant Workers on their 5th anniversary. So let's give them a round of applause. And also like to acknowledge the founder, Ms. Marites Palma. Ma'am, busy si ma'am, no? Yan. Palakpakan din natin si Ms. Marites. I think the son has, TVB?
TVB, yes, TVB.
Nicolea, I think she left. Yeah. Pero palakpakan din natin, may TVB tayo. Alright. And also to our kind and generous sponsors, ang dami, no? May shownies pala, na may shownies bang dumating? Meron? Anong pagkain? I see. Tapos meron pa kayong sponsor sa dito? Sa hauling services. Also, of course, our NGOs, familiar faces from Health for All W's, Pathfinders, and new ones, for fun. And also, I'm glad to welcome the International Federation of the Red Cross here in Hong Kong. Okay. And this is, also, we have from Metro Bank, NB, sorry po pasensya na po. Huwag niyo po akong report sa Metro Bank. Okay. So, first of all, mabuhay sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. Holiday po bukas. May balak kayo? Wala. Sana po may gala kayo bukas. Anyway, so the theme for this year's Overcoming Barriers, Building Alliances to Promote a Better Employer and Employee Relationship. So just a short message from the consulate, no? Okay. Anyone here knows how to drive? Bisikleta, kayo bisikleta. Okay. So, naalala ko po yung my first boss, my very first work. What he told me was when I work, I always have to do certain things. Number one, to look backwards. Tingin sa likod. Number two, tingin sa gilid. Number three, tingin sa harap. Okay. So how does that apply in your lives as overseas Filipino workers here in Hong Kong? Remember, first, look backward. What do we mean when we say we look backward? Tingnan sa likod. Okay. Always appreciate yourselves, what you've done, what have you accomplished so far. Kanina marami po akong narinig, no? Meron naman mga engineer. Baka ma-refer ko sa trabaho. Engineer po ako dati, no? Engineering. Ano ang klase ko sa engineering ko? Oh, civil din ako. Saan school? Coronadal. Okay. May nurse din? Teacher? Si Miss Maricas nata yung advice. Yung anak niya pa, teacher. Congratulations. So palakpakan po natin yung mga sarili natin. No? Sabi niya nga po, no? Hindi siya na magiging engineer, hindi siya na magiging nurse, hindi siya na magiging teacher. Without you making your sacrifice, leaving your home. Alam naman po natin yung kwento natin, sana masaya tayo ng araw. I don't want to bring you down. Pero it's very hard work. So please congratulate yourselves. Okay? Also looking backward means knowing why we left in the first place. Minsan po ito nakakalimutan natin lahat. We always forget. Why did we go to Hong Kong? Once you always remember why you left the Philippines to go to Hong Kong, why you're here, you'll never go wrong. Kasi may mga kababayan tayo minsan, bakit ka ba mo umalis? Diba? Kasi may mga plano tayo sa buhay. Always look back. We have plans, we have reasons why we left Hong Kong. Never forget those reasons. Because once you forget those reasons, you lose sight of everything. Okay? Number two, look sideways. Sa kotse, tingin ka saan yung cabio, saan yung gas, saan yung brake. Okay, looking sideways means knowing your community. That means knowing the laws prevailing in your community. So marami kaming paalala sa konsulado. At yung kami sa Facebook marami kaming announcement. Okay. Knowing your rights as employees, looking sideways. These are the tools that will help you in your employment here in Hong Kong. And eventually your career. Actually, it's very fascinating. I've just been here since Valentine's Day, but I've met former domestic workers. They're artists now, photographers. Punta ako dun sa art exhibit dun sa Hong Kong Visual Art Exhibit. One of them is, she took a master's in NYU, New York University. She was a former domestic worker. No? So, because, of course, you know why you left Hong Kong. You know your reasons. But in order for you to get there, you need to look sideways so you know who are the people who can help you go there. Friends, tama po? Konsulado ng Pilipinas, kasama niyo po kami. Niyo po kami kaaway. Kaakibat niyo kami. NGOs, we have all of them. Fighters, help for migrant workers. Tama ba yung pangalan? Sorry. Yeah. Help for migrant workers, right? For domestic workers, sorry. And ang daming NGOs sa Hong Kong. It's part of what will get you to your destination, okay? And siguro, in looking sideways, always remember to keep yourselves in good company. Huwag po tayo, para pong tatay, no? Okay, mapaparkada dun sa mga hindi magaganda yung ugali. No? So, yung mga napapareora. Always group yourselves with like-minded people who are driven, who are objective, di ba? Kung meron silang goal-oriented people. Okay? And of course, last is, look forward. Diba? Pinaka-importante, look forward, especially if you're driving. Kasi pag di ka nakatingin sa harap, anong nangyari? Bangga. Buti sana kung wala mabangga, baka makabangga ka pa. Imagine the same way in your careers. No? And let's call it a career. Diba? Of course, this is one stepping stone in your career. I think all of you have dreams you've left behind for the meantime. Hopefully for the meantime. And meron kayong pinaplano, gusto nyo magkaroon ng negosyo. Diba? O gusto nyo pagtapos yung mga anak ninyo, never forget that. Look forward. always envision what you want to happen in the future. Okay? Kasi once you don't look forward, you feel demotivated, you feel lost, you have no sense of direction. Okay? So yun lang po ang aming payo sa konsulado. Tapos po, kung meron kayong mga problema, feel free to approach us in the consulate. Except lang po, two things, no? Mahirap ilapit sa amin, pera. Wala din kami pera. Number two, mga problema sa pag-ibig, wala po kami magagawa dyan. So, ipanalangin na lang po natin kung may problema kayo sa pag-ibig. And without further ado, congratulations, Social Justice for Migrant Workers. And thank you for inviting me. Maraming salamat.
Recognition for Vice Committee Mariano George A. Soriano, Ingrid Acknowledgement, English, and Invaluable Student Rendered during the fifth anniversary of Social Justice for Migrant Workers with the theme overcoming barriers, building alliances, in promoting better employer-employee relations. During this 30th of June 2024, Bayanihan Quezon City.
Thank you so much, Vice Consul. Look back. Look back means goal down. Goal na yung pangarap natin na bago tayo pumunta dito sa Hong Kong. And then side by side, we need to have the community involve ourselves and then look forward for the career. Temporarily. Hindi tayo forever sa Hong Kong, right, sir? And pag na-list naman ng landas, meron pa rin tayong pagkakataon na i-align sa kayo natin para muna sa tamang landas. Para makuha din natin yung goal na pumunta tayo dito sa Hong Kong. Everybody is not perfect, but we need to align ourselves kung hindi ba tayo nakalaan. Okay, so thank you, sir, sa message. And then we would like to call on for our intermission number, special number by Cherry Rose Paseo, Spoken Poetry Champion 2022.
Ay, yung pinakamaliit na digital frame.
Naalala mo na? Hindi. Naalala mo ba? Unang araw na galit dito sa
Sa one day sila ngayon.
Pudyat ng panibagong pakikibaka.
Andun yung kasama din namin.
Hit ang
Kasama
maleta.
din sa mga
Baon-baon niyang mga angos niya. Para sa hindi gagawin ng lahat, mapabuti lang ang kinabukasan. Pero,